few art galleries left. It's a really weird one. I think it might be installed by Brisbane Elevators and that sort of thing. Hard to tell. Okay, it's really dim. I'm not sure what the install is. Hard to tell. That's Salient. Fermator doors, which sucks. Very wooden cab. Lift number 23. Is it actually Fermator? I think so. But wish I knew who installed this thing. The door closed one's like feels different. But it's more worn out maybe. I think it's 2 here. Trying to find the second one. Might be a service lift, who knows? I think these might be original to the building, because this building isn't that old. I think we go to 2 again. It's a very subtle hydraulic startup sound. You can barely hear it start up.